In today's video, I'll show you how to deposit crypto to Crypto.com exchange from an external wallet. So here we are on Crypto.com. And what we want to do is we want to click on the Accounts tab on the bottom left. Here in Accounts, we want to click on Crypto. And now you just want to select the crypto that you want to send. So we'll choose Bitcoin. In here, we want to click on Transfer and then Deposit. And then on the screen, we need to select our network. So we'll be sending it through Bitcoin network. And here is the wallet address. So we just want to copy our wallet address. And unfortunately, the next part is fully on you. But what I'll do is I'll show you in Tangem Wallet. So here we are in Tangem. And what we want to do is click send. And of course, we're going to choose Bitcoin because that's what we want to send. And it's what we have the address for. Now we're going to paste in our wallet address. And we'll click next. And then over here, we just need to put in the amount of BTC we want to send. Make sure you have extra because there will be other fees involved. And you'll just press next. They'll give you a review screen with the fees involved. And you will just click on complete or next or whatever your wallet has. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.